Hi guys, the first ketchup we're going to be testing is G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup. Ready? The next type of ketchup we're going to be testing is Heinz ketchup. The third ketchup we will be testing is the Publix's Green Wise ketchup. The final ketchup we will be testing is Heinz ketchup. I will arrange these ketchup from the fastest to slowest pouring, starting with Publix's Green Wine ketchup with 3.75 seconds. Then we have Heinz ketchup with 3.97 seconds. And then we have G. Hughes ketchup with 12.25 seconds. And then we have last Heinz ketchup with 13.25 seconds. My hypothesis was correct because I chose Heinz ketchup was the slowest pouring, and it was fourth place. Heinz ketchup is the most expensive and has the most viscosity. That's why it poured the slowest.